Keki and Daruwalla's poem, Death by Burial, portrays interesting events and concludes with a valuable moral. For the past 1 month, a batch of ruffians and evildoers had been going stealthily into and coming stealthily out of the groove in which a fakir lived. The fakir was generally referred to as the Baba, and those men used to smoke ganja in the grove, which they used as their hiding place because smoking ganja was forbidden. Nobody took any notice of this kind of illegal activity, which consisted in smuggling a forbidden drug and smoking it. But then lawlessness took a more serious shape. Bandits or dacoits attacked the village. Some of them raped a village elder's daughter in law. Some snatched away the earrings of the women, thus not only taking away the ornaments but also wounding the women concerned. Some of them tortured an old woman in order to know from her where the cash of the family lay hidden, so that she had no choice but to tell them that the cash was hidden in the haystack. The Baba was not harmed in the least because he was, after all, a Baba, and he was, besides, maintaining a silent fast at that time. 2 months later, the bandits made another attack on the village. There was a big outcry from the villagers. It so happened that the bandits had only one pistol, and this pistol too was a country made one, and therefore not very dependable. When the bandit having the pistol in his hand fired at the villagers to scare them away, the pistol did not function at all, with the result that the villagers were able to overpower the bandits and capture them. The bandits were a group of persons belonging to various occupations and trades. There was a culver who manufactured country liquor. There was a cobbler. There was a Singh who claimed that he could cure people's wounds by sucking a little of their blood. There was a maniher who made bangles from lac. There was a sweeper who earned his living by carrying away unclaimed dead bodies in his bullock cart. The villagers dealt with bandits very severely. They first gave the evildoers a sound thrashing. They rained lathi blows on the backs of those men in order to teach them a lesson. But they did not stop there. They made up their minds to put an end to their lives. The villagers put the bandits into gunny sacks alive and sewed the mouths of the sacks. Then they got ready to put their prisoners to death, but now arose a dispute. There were Hindus among the villagers, and there were Muslims among them too. Actually, half of them were Hindus and the other half were Muslims. The Hindus declared that the prisoners would be burned to death, but the Muslims declared that the prisoners would be buried in the earth in their sacks. The argument on both sides became heated and developed into a regular fight. In fact, a communal riot broke out in the village.